This project involves the development of a TV broadcasting facility located in Florida, carried out using a comprehensive BIM approach. The scope includes LOD 350 to 400 Revit modeling for architectural and structural disciplines, ensuring a high level of detail and accuracy suitable for coordination and pre-construction planning. The models are developed with detailed elements such as frame ceilings, wall assemblies with construction-level detailing, and roof systems incorporating structural components. The primary objective of this project is to facilitate multidisciplinary coordination, enabling early identification and resolution of clashes and design conflicts. By leveraging BIM, the project enhances collaboration among stakeholders, improves design accuracy, and supports a more efficient construction process by addressing potential issues during the coordination stage.